Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your DreamHost hosting. So you want to go, when you set up your DreamHost account, you can actually add your domain from GoDaddy instantly, and then we will just need to set up some DNS settings. But here you want to go ahead the domain names, and you can actually add them here or buy a domain. So now we're going to go to websites and manage websites. And I have already added the GoDaddy domain, but I haven't set up the DNS settings. So to do this, you need to click Add Website, and then you want to enter your domain, and you basically just enter your domain like so. So I will not do that, but basically when you enter it, you just click that you are the owner and click Next Hosting, and that's it. Once you've done that, you will see your domain here, and now you want to go ahead and click on DNS. And here you will see that you need to enter these name servers on GoDaddy. So you want to go to GoDaddy, click on DNS right there. And from here, you want to go ahead and click name servers. And as you can see, these are the name servers, and we need to change them. So click I will use my own, and now we need to enter these ones, these three ones, just like so, one at a time. And let's save them. Once we've done that, your domain should be connected to your DreamHost. It may take up some time, but basically you should be okay with this, and basically that's it. That's how you add your GoDaddy domain. You will need to wait a little bit for it to connect, but basically when this will change, you of course need to refresh GoDaddy too if you have added these name servers here. Let's check. Here it is. And after some time, your domain on DreamHost should be connected. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.